Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to unlock deep conversations through the art of philosophical dialogues using Chat GPT. Are you ready to dive deep into the realm of intellectual discourse? Let's get started. Chat GPT is an amazing tool that can help you engage in meaningful philosophical discussions. With its advanced language model, it can understand and respond to your inquiries, providing you with a partner to explore the depths of philosophical ideas. To begin, simply enter your questions or statements into the chat interface. The smarter you make your queries, the more profound the conversation will be. Feel free to ponder the great mysteries of life or discuss the complexities of ethics, logic, or even metaphysics. Chat GPT will analyze your inputs and provide thought-provoking replies. It can even take on different philosophical perspectives, allowing you to engage in debates and consider multiple points of view. It's like having a philosophical companion right at your fingertips. By conversing with Chat GPT, you can enhance your critical thinking skills and expand your intellectual horizons. You can delve into profound concepts, challenge your assumptions, and discover new perspectives you may have never considered before. So, whether you're an aspiring philosopher, a student of the great thinkers, or simply someone who enjoys contemplating the mysteries of existence, Chat GPT can be your guiding light in navigating the vast landscape of philosophical dialogues. Remember, to master the art of philosophical dialogues using Chat GPT, practice is key. So, don't hesitate to engage in countless conversations, exploring the depths of our collective knowledge and wisdom. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of existence and keep expanding your mind.